I miss his mornings, she told me. The spark, the patience, the way he reached for my hand. She wasn't blaming him. She was worried. He was quieter, skipping workouts, staying up late and waking up flat. Intimacy felt like effort instead of ease. After another week of short tempers, silent drives, a new loud snore, and a few headache mornings, they booked an early morning appointment together. As a physician, I'll say this clearly. Intimacy is part of a long marriage. It is normal to want it, and it is okay to ask for help. If this sounds familiar, you are not broken and you are not alone. Speak up. We will move fast and safely. You will feel the first changes this week, then build for 12 weeks. In a moment, I will give you a 7-day reset you can start tonight. If you want stronger mornings, steadier energy, and real confidence again, start here with me. Now.
Fast means we clear the biggest breaks for 7 days so your body can show its real potential without cutting corners. Evening scene. Set a fixed lights out. Keep the last hour calm. Dim lights, light stretches, or a short walk. Phones away. Keep alcohol light and early, or skip it for 3 to 4 nights. Morning scene. Eat a protein-first breakfast. Drink coffee with food, not syrup. Then walk 20 to 30 minutes at a talking pace. If joints complain, split it into 2 shorter walks. Training scene. Do 2 strength sessions this week with slow, controlled moves. Sit to stand from a chair, a hip hinge to pick up a light weight, rows and presses. Do 2 smooth sets for each move. Pelvic floor scene. After training, add a brief sequence. Hold a bridge for 10 to 20 seconds, then fully relax. Repeat 6 to 8 rounds. Do bridge abductions for 10 to 12 reps. Finish with a gentle frog stretch for 30 to 40 seconds, 3 rounds. Food scene. Eat real food at regular times. Avoid deep-fried or refried oils. Add nitrate-rich foods like beets and leafy greens on 2 or 3 days. Skip strong antiseptic mouthwash around those meals so your mouth bacteria can do their job. Evening check-in. Take 1 minute together to talk about sleep, stress, and how your body felt today. Tracking. On day 4 and day 7, write down wake-up energy, belt notch, and morning firmness. Labs. If you plan hormone testing, book an early morning fasting draw on day 8 after several alcohol-free nights and good sleep. That number will reflect you, not a rough night.
Book 2 early morning blood draws on different days. Aim for the same time window, between 7 and 10 a.m. Go in fasting. Sleep well the night before. Keep 3 to 4 nights alcohol-free before each test. Skip sugary breakfasts and heavy late-night workouts so the results reflect you, not noise. Ask for total testosterone on both visits. Add free testosterone when possible. It helps when binding proteins are high or low. Ask for LH and FSH to see whether the brain is not signaling or the testes are not responding. If results are low or borderline, add prolactin and TSH to look for common, fixable causes. If you are even thinking about therapy, get baseline hematocrit and PSA. Bring your full medication list. Some drugs can blunt libido or erections, including certain antidepressants, blood pressure medicines, opioids, and hair loss drugs. Do not stop anything on your own. Ask your clinician about options or timing. Check blood pressure, A1C, lipids, and waist size at the navel. If your partner hears loud snoring, sees pauses in breathing, or you wake with headaches or dry mouth, ask about a sleep apnea test. Treating sleep apnea often improves daytime energy, mood, and desire more than any pill. Make sense of the numbers with symptoms, not in isolation. Low numbers plus real symptoms build the case. Normal numbers with poor sleep, stress, or alcohol point to different fixes. Borderline numbers mean repeat and remove blockers first. Retest after 8 to 12 weeks on the plan to see the trend. Data first, decisions second.
Performance rides on circulation. This plan builds blood flow first, then keeps it. You will move most days. You will lift 2 to 3 days a week. You will track simple markers so progress is visible. Weeks 1 to 4. Consistency beats intensity. Walk most days for 20 to 40 minutes at a talking pace. If joints complain, split it into 2 shorter walks. Do 2 strength sessions each week. Use slow, controlled moves. Sit to stand from a chair, a hip hinge to pick up a light weight, a row, and a press. Do 2 sets of 8 to 12 smooth reps. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. After each strength day, add the pelvic floor sequence. Bridge holds for 10 to 20 seconds with full relax between holds, 6 to 8 rounds. Then bridge abductions for 10 to 12 reps. Then a gentle frog stretch for 30 to 40 seconds, 3 rounds. Weeks 5 to 8. Keep the walks. Add 1 light interval day on a hill or treadmill. 4 rounds of 1 minute brisk, 1 minute easy. On strength days, increase the weight a little or add a 3rd set if form stays clean. Keep the pelvic floor work 3 to 4 days a week. If mornings feel better, note it. If form breaks, lower the load. Weeks 9 to 12. Consider a 3rd strength day. Add step-ups to a low box or a farmer carry with light weights for 40 to 60 seconds. Keep intervals once a week. Do not chase soreness, chase repeatable effort. Protect sleep so the body adapts. Couple cues. Walk together when possible. Spot each other on sit-to-stands. Do the evening check-in you started in week 1. Celebrate small wins at week 4. Adjust the plan, not the goal. Safety. Stop and talk to your clinician if you feel chest pain, severe breathlessness, or dizziness. If you have heart or lung disease, ask for a tailored plan. Progress is the target, not punishment.
Big idea. Food should steady hormones and open blood flow, not spike and crash. Build every plate with a simple order. Protein first, healthy fat second, slow carbs last. Morning scene. Protect the number you will test. Eat a protein-first breakfast. Pair coffee with food, not syrup or pastry. Greek yogurt or eggs with avocado and berries beats a muffin that sends you crashing by 10 a.m. Lunch scene. Add nitrate-rich choices 2 or 3 days this week. A small glass of beet juice at lunch or a salad with arugula and spinach helps the body make nitric oxide for better circulation. Around those meals, skip strong antiseptic mouthwash so your mouth bacteria can do their job. Dinner scene. Choose real food you can name. Grill or bake instead of deep fry. Use olive oil. Keep fryer oils and refried oils to a minimum. If you enjoy alcohol, set weeknight limits and stop a few hours before bed so sleep stays deep and testosterone can rise overnight. Protein guide. Aim for a palm of lean protein at each meal. Rotate salmon or trout twice a week for omega-3 fats. Add a handful of nuts like walnuts, almonds, or pistachios on days you need a simple snack. Carb guide. Use slow carbs that come with fiber, such as beans, oats, brown rice, or sweet potatoes.
Save sweets for after a protein-rich meal to blunt the spike. Hydration cue. Drink water through the day. Mild dehydration thickens blood and steals energy. Couple cues. Shop once for the week. Prep a protein and a leafy green base you both like. Eat at the table when you can. Talk about how the meal made you feel 2 hours later. Steady energy means the plan is working.
Big idea. Most testosterone is made during deep sleep. Treat sleep like part of your plan, not an afterthought. Evening scene. Pick a fixed lights-out time and protect the last hour. Dim the lights, do light stretches or a short walk, keep screens away from the face, cool the room, quiet the house. If you drink alcohol, keep it light and early, or skip it on weeknights. Caffeine and timing. If coffee makes you wired, place it with breakfast, not on an empty stomach. Avoid caffeine after midday if sleep runs light. Energy should come from steady meals and movement, not late stimulants. Breathing scene. Loud snoring, morning headaches, dry mouth, or your partner seeing pauses in breathing are red flags. Ask your clinician about a sleep apnea test. Treating sleep apnea often improves daytime energy, mood, and desire more than any pill. Stability scene. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Go to bed and wake up at similar times. If you wake in the night, do not panic. Get out of bed, read a paper book in dim light, then return when sleepy. A small protein-forward snack can help if night wakings come from dips in blood sugar. Bedroom scene. Keep the room dark, cool, and quiet. Use blackout curtains if street light leaks in. Put the phone on Do Not Disturb. Keep pets out if they wake you. Couple cues. Share the same wind-down window. Swap a late show for a 10-minute walk and a warm shower. Trade phone time for gentle conversation. Protect this hour together. Morning scene. Get morning light within an hour of waking. It anchors the body clock and makes sleep come easier the next night. Reserve heavy workouts for earlier in the day if late sessions keep you up. When to get help? If insomnia lasts more than a few weeks or if breath pauses and daytime sleepiness are present, see your clinician. Good sleep is treatment. It is not a luxury.
Tonight, set your lights out time and protect the last hour. Keep alcohol light and early or skip it. Prepare a protein-first breakfast for tomorrow. Walk most days. Lift 2 to 3 days this week with slow, controlled moves. Add the brief pelvic floor sequence after training. Eat real food on a steady schedule. Use beets and leafy greens 2 or 3 days. Skip strong antiseptic mouthwash around those meals. Do a 1-minute evening check-in together. On day 8, get early morning fasting labs after several alcohol-free nights and good sleep. Track 4 markers at weeks 4, 8, and 12. Waist at the navel, resting heart rate before getting out of bed, wake-up energy on a 1 to 10 scale, and morning firmness. Data first, decisions second. This video is for education. It is not medical care. If you take medicines for blood pressure, diabetes, pain, or sleep, or if you have heart or lung disease, talk with your clinician before changing routines. If you snore loudly or wake unrefreshed, ask about a sleep apnea test. For a deeper foundation on low T, what it is, how it's diagnosed, and common myths, watch our 2 earlier videos on this channel. They give you the context to pair with this plan. If this helped, share it with a friend who needs a clean reset. Start fast tonight. Build for 12 weeks. I'm with you.